Cha-Chin Medical Compressor Nebulizer. Timely reminders help you start your wellness journey. Operate with ease. Deliver medicine with a breeze. With its micron-level nebulization, it delivers fine particles for optimal drug absorption. Twist the cup, adjust the volume to your liking. Experience the snug and soft fit of the mask. Embrace tranquility with its low-noise design. Children adore its cute design. Dual modes meet every nebulization wish. For kids and adults, a family-friendly healthcare essential. Cha-Chin provides meticulous care, standing as the guardian of your family's health.